So friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to my another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about Finland. So what about Finland? Why Finland is a great place to live? Why you are thinking about Finland? So let's talk about Finland today, okay? So I will mention few points today. So why you should choose Finland for your study or for your living here in this country. Yes, I am living in Finland and you already know me. I have a YouTube channel. My name is Mahfuzul Haq. And if this video helps you, please give a thumbs up on my video and subscribe to my channel, guys. So let's talk about Finland today. So number one, Nordic welfare state. Okay, so what does this mean? So you will have social security, means you will get financial assistance for you and for your families. If you are unemployed, you have free healthcare and maternity benefits for the parents. Education is free for the children, although if you are a foreigner. So guys, let's talk about the second important point. Yes, freedom and equality in this country, in this society. Yes, third most gender equal country. Finland is the third most gender equal country, and there is religious equality in this country, religious freedom, and second lowest inequality in the world. So you have the equality and freedom in this country. Equality is highly valued in this country. What does this mean? Equality means, for example, if you are working as a cleaner in a company, so nobody will disrespect you. Everybody will give you value because you are working. You are working as a very important person in this country and you are paying tax. For example, if somebody is working as a CEO in this country and you are working as a low paid employee, though everybody will give you equal value. So there is equal value in this country for your work. Yes, number 3 point, top ranking society in EU country or in the world. So this is one of the safest country in the world, most stable economy in the EU countries, and you know that Finland is happiest country and they got this ranking for last few years, and very standard life to every citizen. Every citizen has a standard life, a standard culture in this country, and not much salary difference in this country. Okay, if you are working as a CEO, you have a good income, but after giving tax your income is coming low, and if you are doing a restaurant job, your income will be similar place. So there is not so much difference in the salary difference. So number 4, a balanced life for family and work. So Finland is the second best country to be a mother, and as a mother you will get all the benefits and financial assistance from this country. You will get free healthcare, health checkup for mother and for the child every month, and if you are pregnant women can go for 1 to 3 years child care vacation from work. And then if you are working in a company, you will get 30 days minimum holiday for every working citizens. In addition, you will get extra money if you are working, and if you go for vacation you will get extra money when you go for vacation. Education is free for all the children, as well low cost daycare system. Okay, so if you are a foreigner and if you have child, your children has free education in Finland, and they will have low cost daycare in this country. Okay, so you don't have to pay that much for the daycare system. Let's talk about more general. Okay, so why you should choose Finland for your living. Okay, as a foreigner, if I think myself, why should I choose Finland? Okay, first thing is, it's very easy to get permanent residence in Finland. Okay, if you compare to other European countries, it is really difficult to get permanent residence to Norway or Sweden. But in Finland, if you have 4 years a status or a permit, you are eligible to get permanent residence. Okay, and any kind of job will do for permanent residence. So you don't have to think that, okay, do I need to work for my educational subject if I am graduating from business management, and if I work to a restaurant, can I apply for permanent residence? Yes, any kind of job you do, if you earn money, you are eligible for permanent residence, only 4 years A status. And what else I can say? Yes, and most interesting to me is that it is really so simple system to get citizenship in Finland. Why? How? Okay, you have question how. Yes, if you think about other European countries, it is not easy to get a citizenship. Okay, but in Finland, if you stay here 5 years in Finland, and if you have a Finnish language skill or Swedish language skill, you are eligible to apply for Finnish citizenship. Okay, and in Finland, dual citizenship is allowed. And what else? And if you have a job, if you have a earning, if you earn like 500 to 1000 euro, is okay to apply for citizenship. But of course, getting a citizenship is depending on the immigration. So I cannot say if you get citizenship or not. Of course, it depends on your profile, on your portfolio, and the requirements, if you fulfill all the requirements. So friends, now you know why Finland is best to live in this country. Yes, Finland is one of the beautiful place to live, and really less population in this country. Finland has only 5.5 million people, and mostly the education system is really good in this country. Primary education is one of the best education in the world, because children does not have to think about grade, so they can just study. The study is really different from the other part of the world. Yes, and it's really easy. And yes, you don't have to think, if you are studying here as a master's or bachelor degree student, you don't have to think about the grade. Okay, if you don't have good grade, that doesn't mean that you will not get job. You can get a job without having good grades. Okay, so mostly companies they are asking if you have projects, and if you have done something in the school, some projects, and if you can show that you have projects, you have done something in the school, but you don't have good grade, but you are a multicultural student, you have experience with foreigners and with Finnish people, and you are doing great in this society, of course you can get a job. You don't have to think about good grade, but good grade always gives you good points. Okay, so what else? Yes, in summer Finland is really beautiful. You can see the trees, green trees around me. It's a park, a small park. Okay, so and of course there is a beautiful thing in winter. Finland also really beautiful in winter, but if you are from a tropical countries, from a country that the weather is hot, so if you come to Finland, it's really cold, and of course it's not bad, but you will get used to with it, and it's also beautiful in winter. So guys, I have mentioned so many points why you should choose Finland, why Finland is best. So if you think about coming to study in Finland, or if you are thinking to migrate to a European country, of course you should think about Finland. And yes, if you want to study in Finland, of course Finland is one of the best country for study, for bachelor or for master degree, or there are vocational courses in Finland. So guys, yes, if this video helps you, please thumbs up on my video and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any question, you can ask under my video, and I will see you on my next video. And if you want, you can give feedback how this video, how you like this video. It would be really great, so I can understand how you like my video. and yes, have a nice day, take care, and bye bye.